Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com, making a video here of another little Hijet that we're about to ship out. This is a normal type cab in khaki colour. Looks good, and these khaki colour ones are getting very popular. It's got front spotlights on there, you can see the chassis underneath is very clean. This one's a 2017, so it's still pretty new. A little bit of scratches here and there on the body, but nothing too major. Been used a little bit, you can see just here, one or two scratches, a couple of scratches on the back of the cabin. Just been used a little bit, but still in pretty good condition, no problems. Got a mat there as well, that's protected the bay, the tray liner quite well. In the cabin here, it's got some seat covers on it, kept the seats good underneath, and pretty clean on the floor. If I give this a start up, you can see it's got 33,000 kilometers, about 19,000 miles. It's got electric windows, it's got air conditioning and a heater. It's got a four-wheel drive push button system, so press that button and that light comes on there. The four-wheel drive's engaged. It's also got a rear diff lock as well. If I press this button here, put it into first gear, that light comes on. That's the rear diff lock engaged. It's also got high-low range, can be selected via that lever there. Fully enclosed cabin, so you can keep warm, keep dry, keep cool with the air conditioner if you need to. Driver's side airbag as well. So these vehicles are going to be sold in the US as off-road use only, so they're in competition with a UTV, ATV type vehicle, and they stack up pretty well against the other ones on the market. It's four-wheel drive, manual, it's got low range, fully enclosed cabin, three-side drop on the back, and it's also got power windows. So if you're interested in something like this vehicle, one like this, or you'd like to be a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website 𝐸𝐚𝐺𝐿.com, and you'll see a lot of information on there about where to get one of these trucks from. Thank you very much for watching.